Okay.
I'm gonna use some
Me and
chinchilla
Haley.
food.
Oh crap! Wait. Wait. Should I take these out?
I don't know.
Oh no. We're gonna try chinchilla food.
You got a cookie and I got blueberry yogurt.
I got a cookie and Haley has
blueberry yogurt.
a blueberry yogurt thing. And should we show them the chinchilla?
Yeah.
Okay. This is what this looks like. It's nasty. And this is what this looks like.
Looks like a turd. It's blue.
Okay, and here's the chinchilla. Hold on.
There's a chinchilla.
Yeah. Her name is Ellie.
Ellie, yeah.
See, she's actually got a cookie thing in her cage right now. And a blueberry thing. Okay. Let's do this. Do we have to swallow if it's like really bad?
No.
Okay. Get me one too. So, yeah. I don't know.
What was that? It's like,
I was just doing something. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh. Wait,
Oh
is
my
it nasty? I'm not putting it all in my mouth. I'm just gonna take like a little bite. Is it nasty?
It tastes powdery.
Does it taste bad?
It tastes like blueberries.
Okay. Now show them. Like, go, just like show them. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What do they even make this out of? What if it's like cow crap or something?
No.
Oh god. Okay.
Paste. Dude, what if my pet's been eating paste all this time? I feel bad for you, baby.
Okay. I don't know if I can do it.
Go. I'll eat the cookie with you.
Oh god.
Wait, should I have a red one?
No, do the exact same one.
Which one is yours? The light brown one?
Yeah. This is so nasty.
You have to do it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
No,
You have to do it.
no, I want to see you do it first.
Can't even taste anything. It's like Wheaties.
It's like what?
Like Wheaties.
Does it taste bad?
Tastes like dog food.
Dog food? So it does taste bad.
Yeah. If I can eat it, you can eat it.
That's like, wait, what do you mean? Sorry, okay.
Watch, I'll freaking throw up everywhere. I'll be like, yeah, some good stuff.
Oh my god.
If I swallow this whole thing, you have to eat it.
No, don't swallow it. That's nasty.
You can't taste it. It tastes like cereal.
Cereal? Okay. Oh.
I know you can do it, Kanye.
Okay, ready? I'm actually really gonna do it now.
Okay. No, you won't.
Yes, I will. Yeah, I will.
Do it. Eat it up. Yum! Good stuff, Kanye.
Why?
I have to eat my whole thing.
Yeah. I can't chew it up. I can't chew it up. Look. I can't.
No, do it.
I can't.
I'll spit it out. Oh, yeah.
No.
Was that yummy?
No.
Yeah, it was good.
It's nasty.
This is what chinchilla food looks like chewed up.
it up. It's so nasty. You lied.
Yeah,
It's
kinda
nasty. Yeah, exactly. It's nasty. How can she eat that?
I don't know. Ask the dang chinchilla, not me.
I'm gonna put this in her cage. There.
I don't know how she eats it.
Okay, people. So yeah. Bye. Oh yeah, I'm making a video tonight about prank calling.
We're gonna be
people.
prank calling some peeps.
And it's actually going to be. I'm gonna prank them into thinking that they're winning Justin Bieber tickets
Or One Direction.
or One Direction tickets. So, see ya.